Hi, my name is Louise Chabros, and I'm a trainer with ENS. And today I have with me Jeremiah Archambault, who's going to talk with us a bit about a sign that we installed on the weekend for QV Cafe and Bakery. Jeremiah, do you want to tell us a bit about this sign?
Sure. The QV Cafe and Bakery, here on the next slide, you'll see is quite a prominent location here in Victoria, British Columbia. It's located on the corner of Government and Fizgard, right across from Chinatown. Now, on the next slide, what you're going to see is the inside of the location seats about 40 people, but they have about 700 people through on an average day. So, on the next slide here is a shot of the counter, and way hidden in behind the counter is actually a digital sign that they've had in before, but it's not exactly the most visible. So what we've done instead is our company has stepped in to put a more visible digital sign into this location. And what we're going to walk through today is just how that install went. So on the next slide here, the first thing we had to deal with, which is what we deal with, frankly, with most installs, is when you start pulling things back from the wall, you'll find it's a bit of spaghetti soup for electrical.
The hidden things.
The hidden things. So we cleaned up the electrical a bit, and then on the next slide, we installed one of our units. Now, what's nice about this unit here is that it's only 2 bolt holes onto the wall. It's very simple install. Takes all of about 15 minutes to put it onto the wall, and you can see that everything's quite form-fitting insofar as the monitor, the computer, and the bracket. That little silver thing's the computer in between the monitor and bracket, and so on the next slide you're going to see how low profile it really is. There's no other wires or cables in this location. So on the next slide here, you're going to see that this is how it's installed. We now have to go back actually and clean up those wires that hang down a little bit there with some bracketing. But the bottom line is, anybody that goes into that location now can see the advertising is front and center and prominent by the front door, just above the ATM.
Right, just above the ATM, and is that a jukebox there that they have?
You got it. It's a jukebox, and actually while we were doing the install and had to pull the jukebox back, we had lots of people coming by to play tunes. So we know it works.
Oh, well, that's good. Well, thanks very much, Jeremiah, for coming and talking to us today about this latest install, and look forward to talking with you again soon. And everybody remember, if you have any questions about any of our products, please feel free to give us a call. The number's 250-483-4719, and talk to you again soon. Bye.